Hello, today we are going to see how to check the status, report status of a broadcast, and we are also going to see what are the different meaning of the statuses that are updated for a broadcast. Initially, for downloading a report, once you execute a broadcast, you have to click the reports option here and you have to go to campaign reports. Once you execute a bulk WhatsApp marketing messages, the status regarding all the bulk marketing messages will be updated in the campaign report in the dashboard. So in this we have to go to the date range. So I am going to select the last 30 days. In case if you want to take the reports more than that, you have to select a custom date range. So if we come down, so you can see at March 7 we have executed a broadcast for 215 mobile numbers. For downloading this report, we just have to select the download option on the right side. I'm selecting this. Now the CSV file is getting downloaded. I'm opening this Excel. So in this report you will be able to see there are various report statuses that has been updated. You can see the status as read, failed, delivered, and you can also find statuses like sent and everything. So initially we will look at the basic things that will be basic things as read, delivered and failed. So in case if you are going to WhatsApp, regular WhatsApp, we will be able to find in the message we will be able to find the statuses of the message as single tick, double tick and blue tick. For example, right now I am going to select a option of any single message in here. So for example, I'm selecting this message here and I'm going to the message info. So you can see, in case if there is a blue tick in WhatsApp, it means the customer have read the message, and in case if it is in a double tick and in a grey color, that means it has been delivered and the user haven't opened the message. In case if it is in single tick, that means the messages are sent. So those are the status that has been updated in the broadcast report here. So apart from these three things, in case if the message is mentioned as failed, there can be multiple reasons why a broadcast message can be failed. So we will look at the major reasons. What are the reasons it could be failed? So I'm going to the dashboard. We can also check the report of each and every single number in the dashboard itself by looking at the delivery report. If you go to the delivery report, we can see multiple reasons of the number why it has been failed. We can see the report of each mobile number with the status. It will be updated in the delivery report. For example, you can see for this mobile number the message has been failed due to this error code. The error code is 131049. So when you are sending a bulk marketing messages, you will see this error code at a maximum rate. So usually when you are sending a bulk WhatsApp marketing message to a database, possibly 20% to 10% of the database could get this error, because this is a error that is this is a error that comes directly from Meta. So we usually call this as frequential capping. Whenever you receive this error, you can assess that as frequential capping. So I'll explain you in simple words what does frequential capping means. So nowadays every company has started to use WhatsApp API messages. Since everybody has started to send bulk WhatsApp marketing messages, so when a regular WhatsApp user he will, in case if he is receiving so much of marketing messages, he may not very much like the WhatsApp interface. So what WhatsApp has done is, WhatsApp has created a marketing message limit for each mobile number. So that mobile number limit, the marketing message limit will get vary from one mobile number to another mobile number. Let's say for an example, in case if company is trying to send a bulk WhatsApp marketing message to me, I may have a marketing message limit of 2 marketing messages for 24 hours. In case after I have received 2 marketing messages, in case if a third company is trying to send me a WhatsApp marketing message, I may not receive that message. WhatsApp will block it, and in the dashboard it will be updated as this error 130.131.049. For example, so for some mobile numbers, the limit may also go as weekly to 7 marketing messages. It may vary from one mobile number to another. Meta haven't exactly disclosed what would be the limit and what would be the time frame for this frequential capping. So when you are sending this message, in case if you are getting this error, the charges will also not be deducted for you in the dashboard. So another reason for getting failed would be, you will be receiving this reason as unsubscribed. So this is the reason we usually when we send a bulk WhatsApp marketing message, in case we have also made a separate dedicated video for how to send a bulk WhatsApp marketing message. Okay, so while sending that message, while creating a template itself, you will be able to add a stop promotion button. Okay, so which is basically unsubscribe button. Let's say if you are sending a bulk WhatsApp marketing message to a customer, in case if they are not interested to receive any more messages from your end, they can just simply tap that stop promotion button. I'll show you an example. So let's assume this as a marketing message. You can see multiple buttons that I have added here. In case if you have a requirement, you can make this button as stop promotion. So whenever the customer is selecting that stop promotion, the dashboard will store their number and those data will be updated in the unsubscribed list. Let's say if in a database 10 customers have selected stop promotion. In case if you are sending a bulk WhatsApp marketing message to the same set of database, the next time those 10 mobile numbers will automatically get filtered and the dashboard will not be charged for that specific 10 numbers. It will come under the report as unsubscribed. And another major reason would be, let's say in case if the mobile number is not available in WhatsApp, you may get the error details as message undeliverable. So these are all the major reasons why you will get a broadcast failure. And in case if it is sent or delivered or read, that means the message has been received for that specific user. Thank you so much.